So in the morning, you want to have something fast, you want to have something healthy, and you got to grab it sometimes and put it in your car and take it to go for your commute. So I wanted to come up with something that's not only healthy, but it's high in protein and good energy that you can grab in a hurry and head out the door. This is my strawberry mango smoothie. I want to show you what the ingredients are. 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 cup of coconut water. If you want it a little thicker, add coconut milk. And then you're going to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of hemp protein. If you want it thicker, you add more. If you want it a little thinner, you can add less of the hemp. But that's your excellent protein with your omegas and all your great nutrients and vitamins for the day. So now we're going to put all our ingredients together in the high-speed blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you might want one because it's a lifesaver day in and day out. First thing we're going to add is going to be your strawberries. 1 cup of strawberries frozen. 1 cup of mango frozen. 1 cup of coconut water. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hemp seed. Just like that, we're going to snap the lid on, and we're going to take this little centerpiece off because this one needs a little help with the stir stick. So we're going to turn it on now. See how fast that is? That's going to be a delicious, healthy, high-protein breakfast for you to take and sip on all the way to work or just get your day started, even if you stay at home. So let's take this off and let's try it. This is so beautiful. Let's pour this. Nice, thick smoothie. Just like that. Now remember, if you need more smoothie ideas and drink ideas for blending, right here on page 142 to 144 has all sorts of drink mixes. Even if you're going out for dinner, it gives you ideas on how to pick a healthy drink when you go out for dinner with friends. Again, right here we have our yummy tummy food for the kids. Teach them early. You ready to taste it? I am. Here we go. That's so delicious, and I can taste the good health.